This is the MetaTrader 5 on the screen, as you can see. First thing is the interface. When you look at the MetaTrader 5, this area you see different trading instruments and the currency pairs. This area is called the market watch. This is where you add new instruments to trade. Then if you look at this area, the menu bar, you see file, then view, you see insert, charts, tools, windows, and all that. You can always take your mouse pointer to any area to know what it is. You will see here, this is the time frames. You have from 1 minute, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour to 1 month time frame. That is where you change. Then this area is market watch. This is where you have all the trading instruments that you are going to be trading. Then here you have the navigator. Under the navigator, you see the trading accounts that are connected to the MetaTrader 5. Then when you come here, these two boxes, here you see the balance, the equity, free margin. Then you see the trades that are running. You will look at exposure, history, and all those things. While this area, you are seeing the charts. You can always change the charts to the particular currency pair that you are trading, and we'll be doing all that very soon. Now, when you come to the menu bar, you have files, you have view, insert, charts, and all those things. When you take your mouse pointer there, you can always know what to do. All right, so that is the basic interface of the MetaTrader 5 platform.